Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY eyebrow wig video. I did watch a few eyebrow wig videos here on YouTube that I kind of wanted to do my own and challenge myself. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. Okay, so these are the final results. That's what I created. I did do these all on my own and I'm very proud of this. So I'm just going to attach them to my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the actual DIY portion of this video, and then we're gonna come back here and I'm going to try these on. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieved these brows right here, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe for videos every week. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need is utensils. I got this on Amazon. It comes with 10 tools in order to create and work on small things and do precise work. The next thing we're going to use is the hairs. It comes like so. And this is a professional eyelash extension glue. It's going to help us adhere the lashes to the brows. We're going to need scissors, of course. So I bought some mesh material at Joann's. I got one in the color of my skin. So how I did that was I cut out a piece of the mesh. I'm actually gonna get other scissors just to make this a little bit quicker. And then I kind of freehand an eyebrow shape. I kind of create an eyebrow shape like so. As you can see, I kind of drew on the board, but that's okay. So it looks like so. And then I'm going to start cutting around it. Okay, so that's how it looks like so far. I'm also going to cut. And then I'm going with my smaller scissors and kind of shape it even better. At the end, it should look like that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a clear eyeshadow protector. And I'm going to take the glue. And I'm going to shake it. And then I'm just going to put a drop on the protector. And then I think I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm also going to take another one. I'm going to be working with these two right here. I'm going to get the curved utensil, and then I'm going to get some lashes. I'm going to grab them and just pull them out, and this is what it's looking like. And then I'm going to put them to the side. I'm actually going to get quite a few. I'm going to pull them out. What I'm going to do is take the straighter one, take one hair. I'm not sure if you can see it. Dip it into the glue, and I'm going to deposit it on the mesh. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to get a lash one more time, dip it into the glue. You can see right here. And I'm just going to deposit it Once it touches the mesh, you just let it go. I'm just going to keep repeating all those steps. Get a lash, dip it into the glue. Once it touches the mesh, just let it go. So that's what I'm going to keep doing over and over again.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother, you lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, but this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a...
I think I'm going to do one brow on top of my real brows, and then I am going to do a bulb brow and stick that on just to compare. And I'm going to do a full makeup look so you can see how it looks with makeup on. I'm going to brush both eyebrows. I'm going to get a small tweezer. I'm actually going to take the brow, but first I think I'm going to trace where I want my eyebrows to go. I'm going to put a dot right there. So in the back of the brow, the part that's going to be glued onto my face, I'm going to put some duo glue about halfway and let it dry and then stick it on. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'm just adding some duo lash glue. I'm going to just put that all over the first half of the brow. Okay, so it's going to look like that. I'm adding more duo glue and the second half of the brow. I'm going to get my beauty blender and kind of erase that little dot. Okay, so it is a little bit darker when I put it on my actual face, which I actually like because my eyebrows is usually this dark when I do them. So okay, so this is the before and after. It looks really good. It's in the shape I want. This is the kind of shape I always do my eyebrows in. So I'm super happy it came out the way I wanted it to. Okay, so compared to the other videos that I've watched in the past, of people trying on eyebrow wigs. In my opinion, they're never this shape or this thickness, and that's exactly how I wanted my eyebrows to be. So I'm glad I did this DIY. Okay, so for this brow, I'm actually going to do a bold brow. I don't know how you call them. I am going to get some school glue. It is the Strong and Safe, the non-toxic kind, and I'm going to glue my eyebrows basically. I'm going to get some of my Laura Mercier loose setting powder and kind of set that. I'm going to get some foundation, put it on my beauty blender, and just okay, I thought I was going to do a better job, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to put the glue about halfway on the brows. I put a little bit too much glue right there, but it's going to dry clear. Okay, so this is how they're looking like so far. I'm going to wait a little bit for them to dry. I'm going to put a full face of makeup on. Okay, so I've never actually bought the actual DIY wigs online. I just saw what they looked like from the videos I've watched and then decided to do them. I'm highlighting under the brows.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing.
Okay, so this is the final look. Okay, so these are the brows. I keep looking at my eyebrows and they look good on camera, off camera. I can move them. So my final thoughts was I'm so happy I made these brows. They took me a while. They did take me about 2 hours each. So would I do this again? Absolutely not, but it was fun. It was challenging and I am so happy I did it because it did come out so good. I am so happy with the results. There's no actual reason, obviously. I just wanted to challenge myself doing something that I didn't think I would do. I did use one of these. I got this from Amazon. This came in handy. I am so happy I got this. You can use it for pretty much anything you want. If you're working with small things, I would recommend this. They are very sturdy. They are stainless steel. And these are the lashes that I used. They're individual brow extensions. I also got these on Amazon. These are all the ones that I have left. And I really want to use them doing something else. What? I don't know. But yeah, subscribe and find out. I think these are called Tulle. This is what I used. As you can see, they're the exact color of my face, of my skin, I should say. I did get this at Joann's, I believe. If I can find it on Amazon, I will link it down below. But yeah, that's it. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.